Alright, hey guys, coming back to you with another quick Steam guess tutorial, showcase, whatever you want to call it. So this one's going to be on how to find games that don't really get shown on the front page a lot, and that you might enjoy playing, based on what you've played already. So obviously Steam has a lot of recommendation sections, but one that I want to look into in particular, if we go to your store, so this is the main store page right over here. You go all the way up to your store, right at top left. Under recommendations, go to interactive recommender. So what this does, it's kind of like all other recommendations, but it does have sliders. And these sliders are important. So I'm going to explain what all this means. So first you have all your hours and your total hours, which is kind of crazy. It shows exactly how many hours you've actually played in all these games. But it shows your pretty much your top games all the way to your bottom games on what you've played. And to based on all this playtime, it will pretty much show you what they recommend to you, in terms of games. And it goes by kind of like this little bar you see right here. I can't kind of like, if I zoom over, you can't see it. But as you can see, there's a little blue bar right under each of the, what's it called, dates that it was released, as you can see. And that just shows how similar it is to your playtime. But one thing I do like, so you could obviously go by popular, and this shows popular games. But one thing I do like going by is by niche. So niche, it's kind of like smaller games and kind of stuff that isn't as popular, but it fits what you play. It does fit what you play. As you can see, there's a lot of strategy games that pop up for me, and I do play a lot of strategy games. Age of Empires, I have pretty much all the Age of Empires. We have, what do you call it? Northgard, another one. Kenshi could be considered one for the king. Medieval Dynasty. There's a lot of little strategies I play, and what it's looking for is, okay, so you play all these little strategy games. Here's some more little strategy games. And as you can see, a lot of them have popped up. I could do older, newer, and look, this game. Have you ever seen this game? The Merchant Life. Have you ever seen this game on the front page? Probably not. Let's see how much it actually has. Only 133 reviews, so it's not a very popular game. But look, it looks kind of cool. It's a little indie game, little something, small, simple, but it looks like people do enjoy it. This was released in 2019, so again, you can go back as far as you want. But yeah, this right here, let's see what they say in reviews. Uh-oh, not a lot of recommended, but a lot of recommended too, so it's kind of on and off. But what I'm trying to say, this tool right over here, let's go back just so I can show you again how to get to it. So you go to your store, interactive recommender. You can really find some small, I guess you can use the word niche, small games that, fit your play style and that you might not have known about because obviously they do not pop up on the front page a lot. They don't really get shown. What does get shown is usually the popular right over here, obviously. But yeah, hopefully you guys find a good game. Hopefully you guys try it out, see if you can, there's really some good stuff, especially this one right here. Look, I put this on my wish list. I literally found it using this feature. I'm just waiting for a little sale, you know what I mean? Just so I could cop it at a good price. But yeah, go check it out. Some good selection, really some good selection. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.